Hello, guys. This is Abhishek from The Random Cineast, and you are listening to Cinecast, the cinema podcast. In this podcast, I'll get my friends to discuss movies and shows, and today we are going to discuss about The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. So, let's begin the podcast. And today I have with me my dear friend Balu, and we are going to discuss we don't know what about The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. This is the first time we are trying this out, and I would like to quote Michael Scott from The Office. Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't know where I'm going. I just hope I find it along the way. And
Yeah.
we just hope we find what we are going to discuss along the way. So, Balu,
All hail Michael Scott.
all hail Michael Scott. My dear friend Balu, who is with me now, and he claims that his favorite movie is The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. Let's see. So, Balu, why is this your favorite movie?
So actually, you can say that it's one of the favorite movie because uh, in the sea out there of the movies, there are a lot of amazing movies. But to say that this is my one of my favorite movie is because this movie has that element to change your life. That's what I find in a lot of movies, a change, something to grab from the movie and implement in my life. Yeah, that's my way. That's what I try to find in almost everything. This movie has impacted in changing my life, in giving me a new perspective. That's what I love about cinema.
Changing your life. कैसे चेंज कैसे हो गई लाइफ?
अरे काफी अलग नजरिया दिया है इसने.
ओके.
घूमो फिरो नाचो कूदो.
या द स्पिरिट ऑफ एडवेंचर. सो आई हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन कि द मूवीज टाइटल इज द सीक्रेट लाइफ ऑफ वॉल्टर मिटी. सो व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट हियर? सीक्रेट क्या है यहाँ पे?
So I would guess that the whole movie, is packed with action, adventure, comedy, romance, and all these things. But there is only three perspectives to it. I won't say perspective. There are only three guys knowing this. One is the actor himself. The second is Todd Mahar, and the third is me, the one who is watching. So none of the other guys are knowing what's happening in the life of Walter Mitty. Maybe I would say that's the secret. The whole all the adventures happening in his life, the daydreaming.
I would say that the secret is that nobody knows that he daydreams. That's what the secret in his life is. Nobody knows. किसी को पता ही नहीं है because the girl he likes, she does not know. His boss does not know. He blanks out like at places wherever he is. It doesn't matter where he is,
Yeah,
right? He blanks out. Only his mother and his sister knows that he zones
yeah.
out
He's suffering
sometimes.
from maladaptive dreaming.
Yeah,
There are two secrets that are in the movie. The one that he holds to himself is the dreaming part, the daydreaming, for which he doesn't need any location. And the second is the journey that he set himself upon. The adventurous journey, all the things he do. That's quite of a secret to all the people.
शेरिल को पता था ना. She was the one जिसने इसको motivate किया like to go on this quest, to go to Greenland first, and then after that he picked up eventually. But before that, she was the only one who was motivating him. Like, you have to find this 25th negative.
Yeah, she was motivating to him in finding the 25th negative. But all the journey, all the things happened. Uh, Only two guys were knowing it. The one was himself, and the other was Todd Maher. He was kind of having a very dull life, and I won't think like if you live up to right now a dull life, and sudden like after a week you say I had all these adventures and all these things, no one would believe. I guess that's the secret of his life. That's the secret of Walter Mitty.
Okay. So, favorite scene कौन सा है तुम्हारा इस movie में से? Like, there has to be one,
Oh,
right?
I won't say there is one. There are a lot of favorites. मतलब काफी सारे अच्छे अच्छे scenes है इसमें. Okay, so the first one is the point where they show, the quote. If you remember, so no, where his sister comes to him on his birthday to give him a cake, I guess,
Hmm.
and that's where they have shown the quote on a wall, and again they have shown on the wallet that Sean gives him.
The quote goes like this: to see the world, things dangerous to come to see behind walls, to draw closer, to find each other and to feel, that is the purpose of life.
Yeah, I would say that right now I'm having goosebumps. This is why this is my one of my favorite movie. So even the quote says to what is the purpose of life? To see the world and all the things, all the adventurous and the dangerous things that are coming to your life in your future. To see behind the walls, to draw closer to each other or to your people you love and all everyone, and to find each other and to feel. That's, I guess, that is the purpose of life. When he set himself upon the journey, they have shown the quote word by word on the walls, on the floors, during the flight scene, everywhere.
So the quote is prominent in this particular scene ना, एकदम wall पे एकदम straight है. You see Walter Mitty standing and his sister standing, right? And you can
Yeah.
see the quote clearly on the wall, like throughout the entire conversation. And this quote is like a third character in this particular scene. Like you cannot keep your eyes off the quote the time it is on, right?
That's the thing.
Next scene कौन सा favorite था?
So, so the second scene.
उसके बाद आई गेस वो डायरेक्ट आइसलैंड जाता है और सॉरी ग्रीनलैंड. ये एक्चुअली बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग ये पार्ट बिकॉज ग्रीनलैंड इज फिल्ड विद पूरा आइस एंड आइसलैंड इज एक्चुअली टोटली ग्रीन.
The helicopter scene in the bar of the Greenland. Yeah, so that was quite good because I loved the atmosphere they created, how he gets the confidence from Cheryl, and how he embarks himself upon again one more, adventure.
Basically, the journey that he is on, that now it has turned into a
Yeah.
game. So the coming to Greenland was the first level of the
Yeah,
game.
yeah,
right?
you're right. Yeah.
Level 2 is when जब वो हेलीकॉप्टर में जाता है फर्स्ट टाइम. लेवल 3 इज जब वो जंप करने को डिसाइड करता है. हाँ.
Yeah, I agree with that. So आगे और भी levels आएंगे, but for now I will talk about level 2.
उसके जो जितने भी ऐसे एडवेंचरस और बड़े बड़े डेंजरस सिचुएशन में गया या फिर जो उसने डिसीजंस लिए हैं वो थ्रू ड्रीमिंग उसने लिए, थ्रू उसके ड्रीम्स, डे ड्रीम्स की वजह से. बिकॉज हियर ऑल्सो ही वॉज ड्रीमिंग समथिंग, उसको कुछ पता नहीं था. द गाइज वर शाउटिंग, इवन दैट वाज शाउटिंग द बिग गाय. ऊपर से उसने पी रखी थी तो उसका बैलेंस और बिगड़ा हुआ था. एंड इन ऑल द कंफ्यूजन he listened to no one actually. He just followed himself. I guess maybe he just wanted to jump.
Now I'll tell you my favorite scenes from the movie. So I have two favorite scenes. First one, जब वो lift में आ रहा होता है and his boss comes into the lift and he has that weird beard, right? उसकी अजीब सी beard होती है और वो he comes in and then he starts dreaming. He says like, you know who has a better beard? Who has a good beard? Dumbledore, not you. That was very funny.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, and for a point, it totally made me believe that it was him who said it. Even like
Yeah.
earlier, we saw a scene where he was daydreaming.
For a moment मुझे भी ऐसा लगा कि वो सपना नहीं देख रहा है at that point, और वो रियल में उसने बोल दिया अपने बॉस को, because his beard was ridiculous.
Yeah, it was true. Like Dumbledore के पास भी काफी अच्छा है.
And the second favorite scene I would say is at the end when they both, Walter and Sean, they are on the top of the mountain in Himalayas and they are looking upon the Snow leopard. So snow leopard को देख के and he says something like which basically means कि stay in the moment and Walter उसको कहता है ना कि फोटो क्यों नहीं क्लिक कर रहा है. Then he says like sometimes I don't take pictures. I just like to stay in the moment as it is. And
Yeah.
after a few seconds वो देखता रहता है snow leopard को and after a few seconds he just goes away and he's still fine with it. Sean is fine with it that he missed.
It's quite hard, it's quite hard for us. We are, a lot captured by all the desires. So it's hard for us to let go these things easily. We are always eager to capture the moment. So we have to live it every day. It's hard for you to live the moment just for once. But I like this part of Sean, like even though he lived that moment just for a while, and he knew that he won't be able to see this moment later.
I think what he meant to say is here like it will be always in his mind. वो हमेशा उसके साथ रहेगा, like not in the form of a photograph, but in his memory. Like he saw a snow leopard once, and I think उसने बहुत try करके, उसने बहुत मेहनत करके वो वहाँ पहुँचा होगा कि I have to capture this. Maybe like he tried multiple times, we don't know, but I think he might have tried multiple times to get a still. But उसने photo click ही नहीं किया जब the moment was there. That is something. Yeah, so I think that is something that we should all follow. Like, don't put your life on social media, right?
It's your choice.
It is the crux of this scene.
We should be aware of the mohamaya of the social media, I would say. So at this point, I recall a quote from Dead Poets Society. Seize the moment.
Carpe diem.
Carpe diem. Seize the moment. Yeah, that's what I'm converting. एक और सीन जो मुझे पसंद था, in Iceland where he's skateboarding. So, and he's living the life out there. उसने अपनी बाहें पूरी खोल दी है शाहरुख खान की तरह. Yeah, Sarge की तरह. But yeah, that's what it is. Like he was living the moment, and I like that part of the scene because of the background score, because of the music. जो उन्होंने यूज किया है वो एक्चुअली मेरा काफी फेवरेट सॉन्ग है, Dirty Paws from of Monsters and Men's Band. And also I would like to point out how his daydreaming got less.
So the daydreaming stops when he comes back from Iceland. So Iceland से जब वो आता है and then he sits in a cab and he's going back to his house. और वो कैब में कुछ तो कोनन का रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है and he's imagining himself as a guest on Conan. And he says they all talk like what you did and all. And then suddenly he realizes, he gets out of it that this is not correct. He is dreaming. He is zoning out. है ना? And then he asked the driver ki, can you turn this off? And he said no. He said no. And then he says like, then let me get off the cab. And he gets off the cab and I think he goes home and he finds out कि Sean उसके घर पे ही था. One of the clicks is from his house only.
Yeah, that piano's.
Yeah, the piano's leg.
So actually वही उन्होंने यही दिखाया कि उसके कैसे through his adventure उसकी ये disease धीरे धीरे कम होती जाती है.
So let me ask you a question here कि क्या तुझे लगता है कि ना वो जो टॉड महार था, जो डेटिंग साइट का वो था, जो इसकी प्रोफाइल बना रहा था इसको कॉल करके, कि वो विश्वास करता है इसका एट सम पॉइंट. लाइक पहले वो उसको ऐसे बोल देता है कि आई थिंक पहले उसको बोलता है कि आई एम इन ग्रीनलैंड, आई एम अबाउट टू गो ऑफ अ हेलीकॉप्टर. आई थिंक सबसे पहला कॉल वहीं आता है, मतलब जर्नी पे. देन वो स्केटबोर्ड करते हुए उसको कॉल आता है, तो बोलता है कि आई विल ऐड दिस टू योर प्रोफाइल. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट जब वो एकदम शॉन के पास पहुंच जाता है अफगानिस्तान में, लोअर हिमालयाज में, तो वहां पे उसको कॉल आता है और फिर वो कहता है कि ना मैं हिमालयस में बैटरी इज अबाउट टू डाई एंड यू कैन पुट दिस इन माय प्रोफाइल. आई डोंट नो वो बिलीव करता है नहीं करता है.
मे बी उसके लिए बिजनेस, बट अगेन इफ यू डोंट थिंक थ्रू द पॉइंट ऑफ बिजनेस, यू नो सम गाइज लाइक टू फेक. सो आई डोंट नो, मतलब ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. मतलब उसने बिलीव की थी और एल्स ही वाज जस्ट राइटिंग.
उस टाइम बिलीव की थी या नहीं की थी, क्योंकि जब वो बाद में उसको एलए में मिलता है, जब उसको डिटेन कर देते हैं तो वो बिलीव कर लेता है, क्योंकि वो एक्चुअली उसको पता चल जाता है ये डिटेन क्यों हुआ है, क्योंकि ये इलीगल तरीके से अफगानिस्तान चला गया जबकि डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट नहीं थी. तब वो बिलीव करना पड़ता है उसको.
हाँ, तब करता है.
आई ऑल्सो हैव अ डाउट कि ऐसी कौन सी कंपनी है जो कि कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए कहाँ क्या कर रहा है, उसको बार बार कॉल कर रहा है कि यू ऐड दिस टू योर प्रोफाइल फॉर बेटर रिजल्ट्स. हाँ, मैं डेटिंग साइट के पर्सपेक्टिव पे कह रहा हूँ. आई डोंट थिंक प्रोफाइल बनाते हैं तो टिंडर वाले कॉल करके बोलेंगे कि कैन यू प्लीज कंप्लीट द प्रोफाइल, लेट अस हेल्प यू और समथिंग. आई डोंट नो.
वो टाइम काफी पुराना था. इट्स नॉट लाइक उस टाइम पे टिंडर आई गेस नहीं था. सो मे बी दैट वाज वन ऑफ द वे.
So the ending is, I think it is a good ending. Of all places, he finds the negative in his own wallet that Sean has sent him and he
Yeah,
has thrown away once. But उसकी mom ने
yeah.
रख लिया था and she kept it. And she, like when he was told like in the wallet only he had the frame, the negative. He opened it and he didn't even see it. He goes back to the boss and he says like you should not treat people like this, and he gives away the negative like that only.
Hmm.
And he comes back, he talks to Cheryl, who has also been fired now. And they are,
Yeah.
then they see the frame. What would you say about this?
So I like the ending. The thing what Sean told him was that it was the quintessence of his life. It was the quintessence of life, and he also said, I guess, that it was the one of his best work of his life. So that's why they were all, after it. But when we see on the last printed magazine of Life, it was Walter Mitty himself. He was checking some sheet outside the Life magazine building, and yeah, that was great.
I think it is a great ending to the story because of the what Sean would say, the quintessence of life has been presented as it is the last issue.
Maybe this is the way Sean wanted to thank Walter Mitty.
So, with that, guys, we are going to end our podcast. This is the first episode. I hope you guys like it. This is the first time I'm doing something like this. And thank you very much to my friend Balu.
Thanks, Abhishek.
And I hope we'll talk again about some other movie in the future.
Yeah, sure. I'm looking forward to it.
We'll be coming out with more episodes soon. And if you like this podcast, do follow my page on Instagram. I have some cool stuff there as well.